Jolene Schalper, and I'm the Vice President for Business Development of Great Falls, Montana Economic Development Authority. We're in the north central part of Montana, the closest U.S. metro to Calgary. We're actually on an interstate that runs from Calgary to Mexico and rail that goes from the East Coast to the West Coast. We feed America with our wheat and our pulse crops, and we fill your growlers with our malting barley. Our workforce is doing the innovative steel structures from the Atlanta Falcons Stadium to the Salt Lake City Airport, and our scientists are researching food innovations like adding omega-3 to canola that is going to take pressures off the world's oceans. We're a friendly community where everybody says hi when you drive by, and in 5 minutes you can be sipping coffee in your kitchen table to work, or shut off your computer at night and just 10 minutes to be kayaking on the Missouri River or skiing. Our international airport is open for business, and so I hope that you book your flight. And since our cost of living is only 93% of the national average, when you fly in, I'll take you house hunting. Welcome to Great Falls, Montana.